Hello. Right, the chassis is now turned upside down and I've laid on the floor and drilled and cleccoed all the holes. For those that are building the AK, it's important to put the flooring on the right way round because it is handed, as I found out. Because the central spine there is offset to give the driver more room than the passenger, the actual holes that are drilled or pre-cut in the floor are also offset. I only discovered this after starting at the front end, where are we there, and working my way back. I then found that some of the holes actually go into where the pipe run is. So bear that in mind, make sure you get it the right way up. If it's any use, the actual covering, the plastic protection that's on the flooring, needs to face outwards, not inwards as I've got it. That's providing that's how they cut it at the machine shop. Anyway, so that's on. I'm doing some mods to the flooring. I'm putting a removable cutout in there, which will allow me, when the pipes are in there, I need to get it the Jubilee clips, so that's going to be a cutout, and I haven't marked it up yet, but there's going to be another cutout in this area again to get to the Jubilee clips. I'm also making a cover to go around the whole engine area, which I'll just show you. At the moment it's only done in cardboard. So effectively we'll go on in that position there, and what I'm going to do is, because where that pot rivets through is quite a hefty thick beam, I'm going to trim along where the line is, and then the new piece will butt up against it, similar to that, and this piece I shall hold on with some 5mm button head screws all the way round, and then I should make up one to go on this side here and one to go on that side there. So that will help with the airflow underneath. Not too worried about airflow around the engine, as I've got an oil cooler. Most of the heat is anyway going to be generated from the exhaust system, which is higher up. So that's where we're going with that. Whether I add another aluminium panel to the back here, not quite sure. We'll cross that bridge when we come to it. So that's where we are at the moment. So I will push on, and hopefully the next video I do will show that it's all panelled and glued and riveted down. I've also got to, what I have done already, is to mark up the central spine and through the middle. I've marked that on the underside, so that I can then work out where to put the holes in to run the rivets up the middle on each side of the centre spine. But I can't do that until I take it off and look at the measurements on the other side. Right, that's the water pipes lagged and fitted. Obviously it's been swaged at each end or beaded, and everything is double Jubilee clipped. So that's all in location up front and rear. So we are now ready to do the floor. So this is going to be a two-person job, so I've got to go around with the sealant first of all, and then gently lower the floor, which is over there, onto it, and then quickly pot rivet all the way round while the sealant is still in a sort of a squidgy, tacky state.